Hey, morning again. So I hope everybody do good. Last time I dropped one video and in the same area. So I finish up. I want to walk to Belcan Bridge. I want to big up all the different places, countries where my subscribers are there, the US, all both. Different part of New York, Jersey, California, Boston, Philly, Washington, Seattle, DC, Texas, San Diego, Arkansas, New Mexico, interesting, Ireland, Germany, and Poland. Big up Russia too. I actually have some subscribers from Russia where I know personally and they link up their friend. If you know them from the tutor English, business English, also working computer in the computer industry. Canada, big up on yourself. Africa, Tanzania, I have found some friends there. Haiti, friends from Haiti who live in Canada. I also have some friends at Haiti where they watch me from Haiti. Interesting. But they get in contact with me. We know English. You speak Creole. Belize Creole, we know English. We speak Creole, but French. Yeah, cool. I said I like Belize. Also Trinidad, Tobago, DR. Man, so much places. One and two, that everywhere. I would have figured. Because I see it in my statistics where people they watch. And I want to big up Belize too, because I have a lot of subscribers right within the country of Belize. And a lot of subscribers from Belize where they in a different part of the world. So I want to hit Cran Street. Cran Street, notice that the next one I Cran is that still click on. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Up that main too. Shucks. I know I miss a lot. I try to remember when I memory where faded. I know different part of Canada too. Alaska as well. Different parts of Alaska. Anchorage. Japan. Yeah, Japan. Taiwan as well, and Philippines also. Big up on yourself. I have one or two there where I know the people there personally and talk about my YouTube channel and they ask me for the link and yeah, Brazil, Ecuador, New Zealand, yeah, Australia as well. Yeah, man, I know that like they come to my mind. Papua New Guinea as well, Solomon Island too. Yeah, that's interesting, right? Because everything works on an algorithm, right? Everything works on algorithm, and what happened in Solomon Island, I work with a few people. I work with a few people from the Solomon Island, and they're talented too. I know a big island, and I like one big set of family, and so I get in the mix. So big up on yourself there too. Hawaii as well. Big up on yourself, man. Thanks a lot. For sure. Alright. So I wanted to just last video. For some reason I think that China, but we now know that Halova don't get one new bridge. The Belcan Bridge and the Swing Bridge. Then at the two when I get torn away and get a new bridge. So the 3 years project we want to start the end of this year. So I just want to have them up on lock so we could go back and check out what it used to be. Yeah. So I want to give one more in-depth view on the bridge. So we really got that on lock. And of course it's going to be a short video. Two of them there will be a short video, and I want to try and leave something I never really tried before. So look out for that. So we're there behind the main branch at the Atlantic Bank. At one time you had the Atlantic Insurance and sister company, but now they have their own building, the tower. Atlantic Insurance Tower. At the on the Northern Highway. I want to walk around on a building awesome. But need to see some big people there for get their permission. If not, just outside then. Yeah. But beautiful building. Big up to all the staffs, all the managers, all the workers. The Atlantic Bank and Atlantic Insurance. Big up on yourself. All the security guard. They say big up. Morning. They big up on yourself every time. So at one time, when the Civic Center over there, at one time when the fire station moved from Northfront Street, this is the way it come. But in no time, had gone because the building now me trash. Atlantic Bank buy that over, make it into parking. So that's the Atlantic Bank building. Nice stuff right here. Straight crazy. I can't get a lead mixture too. Can't get a lead mixture That and that. Alright, so I'll mix it myself, right? You have one plastic bag. I want to buy one of this and one of that. I want you to throw it in there for me. And then I make my own. I want some leave it up. So, how much you be, mommy? No, this and that. That and that, yeah. How much you be?
550.
Okay. One of that and one of this. In there. In there. One of this, and one of that. No, you get any back, mommy. No strip. Yeah, leave it, no lot. Yeah. Correct. Thank you. Yeah, so see, I figure they never may do that, right? But then I tell you, I build my own one man. So nice fresh pineapple and nice fresh mango. No seed. Yeah. So that lady right there, I remember when they're right there and have one leak cat. She and lead daughter. Then afterwards, the lead daughter get big, but at a young age have one kid, and then she continue work Shima. It's sad. Yeah, I see well. Man, I know what I do. Too fast, man. Tell me about that. Yeah. We'll see well. Too fast. No, man, I just clung the man. Straight cat. Straight nigga. Okay, so I get a sense. So the Belcan Bridge, yeah, I said it. I want to cross and show up. Alright, so the Belcan Bridge, this one will be the temporary crossing right here. For this one. So from here to yonder will be the temporary crossing to the Belcan Bridge. So the guys never used to car dealers are used to have their vehicles there, yeah? They relocate them. I don't think they're too happy about it. Yeah, and I don't think I'm be too happy about it either, but it is what it is, right? Because when I used to run taxi, it used to be very frustrating when they made it do the Belcan Bridge back in the day. So I can understand it. But when it comes to changes like what I mentioned, ain't nothing you could do. You could get upset. You just have to roll with it. With the streets now where I don't really check with. Then remove them there. Yeah, you just have to roll with it, bro. Else the train will run over you. Alright, cool. So this is the side. Kinda heaty, but a nice heat breeze start blow. Yeah, so we'll take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Big up all my subscribers, big up all my viewers. Yeah, bro, big up all my viewers. Then one review it, even if that's for 1 second. Enough respect. Thanks very much, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Let me know in our sight and sound. Remember, stay safe.